Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create partition in HP laptop, especially if you have Windows 11 operating system. So first of all, let me show you my file explorer, and here you can see I have 4 drives, and out of this drive I'm going to create my new drive and I'll name it videos, and that drive will be size of 100 GB because 137 GB is free here, and out of this free 137 GB I'm going to create 100 GB of my new drive. So for that, what we need to do, first of all, let me just close the file explorer, and here in the search bar we are going to type computer management. So this is the one, just open it. Now let me full screen this, and here in the disk management you will see all of your drives. So this is my SSD and this is my hard disk, and in the hard disk I want to create the partition. So this was that drive from where I'm going to create my new drive. So I'll just select it, hit right click, click on shrink volume. It will take some time, and then you will see this window, and here in this window we need to type the size of our new drive, and we need to type that in megabytes, or you can say in MB we need to type that. So I want to create my new drive of 100 GB, so I'll just delete that and type that in MB, so it will be convert into 1 lakh MB. Then once you type the size, just click on shrink, and yeah, here you can see now they have created the unlocated space for us to create the drive. So here in this unlocated space we need to hit right click, then here we need to click on new simple volume, then here just click on next. Without doing anything, again click on next, and here we need to assign the letter. So which letter you want to select, you can just select from here. So let's suppose I select V, then just click on next, and here you can just leave it as it is, but in case if you want to name your drive, you can just name it from here. So I'll just name it videos, then just click on next here again and click on finish. It will take some time again, and yep, here you can see they have created the drive. Now if I just close the computer management and open my file explorer, here you can see they have successfully created the drive, and it is of around 97 GB. Some size they'll take, and but it is 97 of size. We can just put anything we want, we can also create new folders, and basically you can just use this drive from now. But yeah, that's it. Now if you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe my YouTube channel? If you do, I would really appreciate it. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.